Tsunami caught on camera Wednesday at 9 on 4.
Sorry to interrupt programming, but we have had some serious reports from NASA and the UK Space Agency. Today at 7:10 p.m, NASA scientists have found UFOs in space. It appears these UFOs came from Pluto, but we are not too sure. These UFOs are heading for our planet and are expected to arrive any time between now and 8 p.m. We don't know if they're hostile or not, but prepare now. For your safety, please do not panic. It will make everything worse. Stock up on all items in your house, especially canned food and hand-cranked radios. We will now return to normal programming until breaking news happens. Sorry to interrupt programming, but we have updates regarding the UFOs. NASA and the UK Space Agency have reported green beams coming out of flying discs, and it has been made clear if you touch these green beams, you will die. A lot of these green beam and flying disc sightings have been spotted in rural areas around the UK, but there have been reports of them over London and Cardiff. These flying discs have made one thing clear. They are hostile to humans, hence the deadly green beams. If you see one, don't touch or go near it. Once these flying discs land, there will be toxic black smog that will fill the air and will kill anyone within 500 meters of it. To prevent this, cover all ventilation. The creatures in these discs are about 7 feet tall and are very skinny, almost like skinwalkers. They are obviously hostile, so don't come into contact with them. In case you've missed any advice, stock up on food, bring a hand-cranked radio, don't come into contact with a green beam or black smoke. Our broadcasting centre is under attack by the creatures. These creatures have been given the name Plutoni, and like previously mentioned, they are a threat to humanity. Plutonists can understand English and can use their voice to mimic people. If it sounds like a loved one or a friend, don't answer it, you will be killed. And along with that, they have technology way beyond our understanding, so they can do whatever they want with electricity. We're sorry for what was just shown. The Plutonists are using their high tech to hijack our broadcast. With that being said, the Plutonists are starting to attack the UK and the rest of the world right now, with multiple UFO landings taking place. Unfortunately, we cannot provide any more help to our viewers, and barely any time is left, so we will now permanently cease broadcasting.